you want to play with it?
Here you go. Oh.
Waffles, you're destroying our ice cream. We worked hard for that. Waffles,
Oh my goodness. Waffles, you just met. He's already destroying it. Oh my goodness. Waggles, stop drinking out of the cauldron. Oh my goodness.
Waggles, what are you drinking out of that for?
You must be thirsty, buddy.
All right, assistant, you know what time it is, don't you?
Mission time, and it's officially fall.
That's right, it's fall.
Yes.
All right.
Let's go to the mission board.
We've got to go find what your mission is, okay?
Well,
Wags, you
Waggles.
coming? Oh, and there's Waffles. You want to come too, Waffles? Yeah, she does.
She's ready to see what mission it is.
All right, so
It's
here
all fall themed over here now.
it is.
Oh, Waffles, you want to come look up here? Come look at the mission board.
Oh, she's coming.
Come on, Waffles.
All right, Waffles, we've got to find the clues on what the assistant has to do.
Yes, which is right here. Oh,
Oh, they fell.
they fell out. It says ice cream for the season. And then explore the fall forest for fun.
So, what kind of ice cream would you have? You probably need to take the clues.
Probably.
Yeah.
Mission board. Got it.
All right. So, what do you think the ice cream for the season is?
Well, ice cream, obviously. And when I think of fall, I think of pumpkin. So pumpkin ice cream.
Okay, so let's go over to your store and get the
Go to
ingredients
the market.
you need for your pumpkin ice cream.
Okay, I'm gonna grab a basket.
Okay.
Let's look in the freezer section first. Looks like we got two kinds of ice cream in here. This looks like pumpkin ice cream. Let's see.
Pumpkin slime cream. Right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That looks good. That looks good. Let's see the other kind of ice cream. Slime cream's in here. It looks just like, oh, it's vanilla ice cream.
So for the fall, should you use vanilla or pumpkin flavor?
Pumpkin, obviously. And I don't think it's gonna fit in my basket, but
Okay.
we're gonna get pumpkin. And then it looks like there's like chocolate sauce in here. That's pretty fall, kind
Yeah.
of. Let's see what else. Oh, sprinkles. Let's see, what kind of sprinkles are these? Oh, they're like fall colors.
Oh, that sounds good.
Okay, I'm taking these as well. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold.
Waffles is excited.
Are you gonna check me out, Waffles?
I think Waffles is hoping that store sells treats.
Okay, it looks like, oh, waffle cones. Do we want it in a cone or a cup? I think we should do a cone.
That's what Waffles wanted. She wanted the waffle cone.
Scooper. Oh, yeah, because your name's Waffles. And then some toppings. That
Oh.
looks about good, right?
I think so.
Time to check out.
So we're gonna make a pumpkin spice ice cream, right?
Right. You know, this looks like about $12.30 worth.
I think so.
Perfect! Okay, we paid. Let's go back to the craft station.
And then you've got to visit the fall forest, right?
Yes.
Ooh, look at the
Cauldron.
well, the fall forest is over there, right?
Yeah, let's go. Waffles, Waggles, what's over here?
What's over here, guys?
What's over here?
So there's a giant little pumpkin-looking thing here in the fall forest.
Fall forest. Wait, and the pumpkin. A cookies makery.
Whoa, it is a cookies makery. So I think that's what we're gonna do. First or second?
Second.
Second, okay. So she's got to make her pumpkin ice cream out of slime. And then we're gonna open the cookies makery, which has Waffles' favorite toy in the world in it. She will go crazy for it.
Crazy. Okay.
That's
So
probably
what
a good
we got?
idea that we're doing that second.
Yeah. So what we got was waffle cones, scooper, sprinkles, decorations, chocolate sauce, and a pumpkin. Perfect. Let's see. Oh, we need to see what the waffle cone looks like.
Oh, and is that clay? How's it?
It's slime.
Oh, so that right here, let's see. This is actually made of slime?
Yes.
Oh, that's way cool.
I think this is meant to hold it up. while we decorate.
Oh, okay.
So, do we want to drizzle it in chocolate first?
Sure.
Sometimes you guys just gotta take out the slime and drizzle it yourself.
Yeah.
Almost done. Just gotta do the other half.
So you're drizzling it in chocolate first
Yes.
before you're even putting the ice cream in it, the slime cream in it.
I don't know, cause chocolate kind of reminds me of fall too.
Yeah.
Or like, yeah, like when you're trick-or-treating.
I think Waffles knows her favorite toy was in there, so she's looking for it.
It's over here now, don't tell her yet.
Yeah, she will go crazy for it. That's going to be the surprise of the video, how crazy
Okay.
she goes with the toy.
We've drizzled it in chocolate, and now it's time for the best part, the ice cream.
Okay.
Let's scoop some out. Whoa, so super stretchy ice cream. Let's,
It's a butter cloud slime, right? Though.
yes. 2 scoops or 1 scoop?
I think you totally would want to go for 2, right?
Okay. Whoa, hold on. This is a huge scoop. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
That looks crazy good. Okay, time to decorate. Sprinkles.
Do you want to round it off more, or are you going to keep it like that?
Like this?
Sure. That's good.
Okay. Oh, here they are, sprinkles.
So are you
Gotta
going
open it with one hand.
to... Okay.
Like this?
However you want to do it.
Oh, they're not seeming to stick.
I think you might have to roll them in your hand.
Oh, okay. Can you hold this?
I'll hold it. So we'll look at it first. Ooh, it really does look like ice cream. It's even kind of cold.
I mean, it was in the freezer. Okay, I'm ready.
So here's the ice cream. It's kind of blurry, but... All right, now the assistant's going to roll it in her hand, right?
Put all those sprinkles on it. That turned out good.
I think so too.
Okay, can you continue holding it?
Okay, so we're going to hold it again.
I'm gonna get the other stuff ready.
See if we can get it in focus for you people at home. Definitely doesn't want to focus.
Okay, I'm all ready for the next stuff. We have all of these pumpkin, I don't know, like,
They're like little glittery pumpkins.
should I roll it in it or should I place them?
So you can try it both ways.
Here we go, rolling. Ooh, that looks really cool.
Oh yeah, you can put some on the top.
Nice. Now time for the finish, like the cherry on top, but it's the pumpkin
A little
on
candied
top.
pumpkin, right?
Yes, and that is our pumpkin slime ice cream.
So look at it right there, people at home. I think it's still out of focus.
Mmm.
Okay, now people can see it. Mr. Engineer was not doing the camera correctly. Alright, so look at that ice cream.
Ooh. It's time to mix. Are you ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Oh, look at how...
Whoa, look at the chocolate.
Ooh, and the waffle cone just kind of falls apart.
Yeah, you can mix it perfectly into the slime.
What does it feel like? What's the consistency?
It's pretty butter slime, and then I'm feeling the clay chunks of the waffle cone. See, there's a chunk right there, waffle cone.
Oh, and we mix. So this isn't something you can buy in stores, right? We mix several different things.
Yeah, we created our own.
It's our own craft.
We made it fall.
Compound King's butter clouds. We used kawaii slime charms, right?
Yes.
And we used the slime life cone and then chocolate.
And the sprinkles. Well, the sprinkles container.
Yeah. So
Pretty satisfying.
This is the ice cream for the season. This is the first part of our mission, right?
Yeah. You could also probably try to DIY this. You can make your own slime, put some yellow dye in it, get some charms, and there you have it.
That's right. You don't just have to buy stuff at stores, you can make it yourself.
Yeah, and it doesn't even have to be in a cone, because me personally, I like eating ice cream in a cup.
That's right. And so that's one of the cool things, Assistant, is being able to use the things around your house to make a craft.
Yep, and you can pick up all the other charms that you missed.
Very cool. All right, are you ready for the cookies makery?
Yeah, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna put this slime in a pan.
Fried ice cream.
Yep. Okay, let's move on to the cookies makery.
Okay, so we got to remember how to do it.
Okay. Open it up.
So here we go.
Okay, let's start to make our ice cream cake. And these are the 3 options back here. And I'm not sure which one I want, but I think the strawberry unicake would look pretty nice.
Oh, that sounds like a fun one to have.
Or minty polar bear. I just want them all. I would be happy with either one. Each one. I don't know. Okay, let's take out what we need. Ta-da! The first step would have to be pouring in your mix. So I think it's this one. So we need to open this up and put it in our bowl.
Okay.
Here we go. There's lots of batter in there. Okay.
There it is.
Now we're gonna need, where's our measuring cup? Oh, here it is. We need to fill up our measuring cup 3 times.
Well, where can we possibly find water?
In our cauldron, of course.
Oh, in our cauldron. Here, we gotta blow off the smoke.
Oh, maybe we just need to do it once.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Good job.
Transporting it over. Whew. Pouring it in.
All right.
So now,
you've got your batter.
now we mix.
Now you mix it, okay?
For 2 minutes.
For 2 minutes.
Yep.
Good job. All right, you mix, and I'm gonna.
And we'll be back.
We'll see what Waffles wants.
Okay, we have our dough ball. It's time to put it into our mold. Okay, put it.
It's got mold on it already?
No, into our cake tin, I guess. That's what you should call it.
Our ice cream.
Yeah. Gotta make sure it's all in there.
So one craft that we did, we used things that we found around the house. This craft all came
In a set.
in a set, right?
Gotta make sure it's really in there. We're gonna take off the extras on the edges. That way this cake can turn out perfect. This ice cream cake. Okay,
Good job.
I'm gonna attempt to take it out, but if it doesn't work, we can try again. One side's done. Hold on, I gotta get the other side. There we go. Oh, that turned out good. That turned out good.
I think so. Now
Okay.
you gotta put the frosting on, right?
Where did the scissors go?
Oh, it's strawberry. You might get the flavor you wanted.
Ooh, okay. Who knows? Ooh, very satisfying.
What does it smell like?
It smells like slime. Just a generic slime smell. So now I'm gonna put this on top of the cake as best as I can.
No, that's pretty good. Oh, I might even watch it.
Is that good?
Good to me.
Where'd the, oh, here it is.
So you put that on top. Waffles, you're about to get your surprise.
Look, Waffles.
Waffles, you're about to get a surprise. They've been so patient. In the meantime, for the season, Waffles has got a candy corn that she really
He loves that thing. Okay, so we're gonna place it into our fridge.
Okay.
Just like this.
And then you've got to mark it to 10 below, right?
5 below, 10 below. Perfect. Okay, close it up.
Because things freeze at 0 below Celsius, right?
Let's wait 20 seconds.
I hear music. So 20 seconds, people should be fast forwarded. No. So which crafts have you enjoyed the most so far?
I like this one. This one's pretty fun.
I think they're both pretty cool. Did you hear that?
It's like moving.
Is it? Oh, it is shaking.
Is it ready? Okay, I'm gonna open it.
Let's open it up.
Whoa! What?
Look at that.
Oh my goodness, we got the one we wanted. Like it's shaking because it's so cold.
Oh, it's frigid. Look at it, and they're shaking.
Whoa, it smells like strawberries. Do you smell that?
Oh, yeah. Let's see.
Such a strong smell. Oh my gosh, Waffles is gonna flip out.
So, let's see. Does anyone want to play with this? Does anyone want to play?
She already... Should I let her have it?
Yeah, let's see what she does with it.
Here you go, Waffles.
Do you want to play with it?
Here you go. Oh.
Waffles, you're destroying You're destroying our ice cream. We worked hard for that. Waffles,
Oh my goodness. Waffles, you just met. She's already destroying it. Oh my goodness. Waggles is just sitting here like a
So
good-
which dog do you think likes it more? Waffles or Waggles?
Waggles.
Alright, so we probably should take that from Waffles before she destroys it. Because she
Waffles,
will destroy it.
Oh my gosh. Wait, can go down there. Go down there.
Watch.
Wait, give it to me, give it to me. I'm gonna throw it, and I'm gonna hold her back, and then I'm gonna release her. We're gonna see how fast she goes.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready, set, go!
Waffles, what?
Oh my goodness.
Let's see if she'll climb up to our top deck here.
She'll let go.
Let's just put it up here and see if she'll come up here. Oh, wait a minute. Watch this. Let's
Put it under. It's up here.
Here she comes. Oh, you can't get to it, Waffles. What, do you want it? Waffles, you want it?
Oh, she walked away. Oh my goodness.
So that was the cookies makery. So we did our 2 challenges for fall. We did
ice cream, we did pumpkin ice cream, and we did our cookies makery that we found in the forest.
And Waffles is definitely excited.
Oh
Alright, so what should people hungry now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye, everyone.